Okay, Eberspacher D2 model Airtronic, doing annual pre-trip, changing the filter inside, and this glow plug I didn't change, I just cleaned it. But here how you do this job, and then I'm gonna do the fuel filter as well. So I'll show you. The screen I already put, but I'll show you. It's easy. So all you do, I got here metal frame. I got it out. It's like T20 screws around, like 3 here and 3 on the other side. Then you take that frame out, that cover. So then how you take this out, you unscrew this thing first. Then in the back it has 2 clips. You take these clips, like these 2 clips, you pull them, and you're gonna lift up like that, and you're gonna take it off, and you'll remove it. And then inside it has T20 screw here. You're gonna remove this screw, and then here it has like little plastic clamp. You want to remove that little clamp too, and then lift up a little bit, like start easy, because in the back on this side it has this clamp here. So you wanna remove that clamp, and then like all 3 here, and they fit just like in one direction. But if you want, just take one picture before you remove, so you know for sure. So you take this out, just put on the side. So here it was a challenge. Thermo King, they don't sell this tool. I need to remove this spark plug, the plug off. So I made the tool myself. I bought from Harbor Freight toolkit from 10 to 20, from 10 to 19 I think. It was like 20 bucks. So I made the tool by myself. I did cut, it's a 12 millimeter socket. So that's it. It's easy. And then you put here like that, so you just can avoid that wire. That's all you need to cut. So then I got this out. But first is got this boot, the rubber. So you take this rubber off, easily slide, and then slide all the way to here, easy, but hold the wire. And then when you remove, it's easy job, but just be careful. And then just hold the wire when you remove this black buff, and then you put this here and hold it like with 2 hands when you remove. First thing, when you unloose, just hold this ratchet, with 2 hands. I put here and with 2 hands, 1 hand is just now I'm holding the phone and I can't really show you, but you know what I mean. Hold it with 2 hands tight, steady, and pack. Lefty loose, right? So you wanna loose. Okay, so then you take out this, clean a little bit. Like you see, I did clean, like with a brush a little bit, and then with a rag, this thing. You don't want to go crazy on them. They really just not maintainable. You're supposed really to change this thing, but it's okay. They work if you clean it too. Okay, and then it was pain in the butt to remove this screen. To remove this screen took me like 20 minutes to remove, but I got me this tool too from Harbor Freight. So you want to go with this behind like that, and pry, go behind like that, and then with some like that screws, with some like that long needle nose pliers, you're gonna take this off like that, pack, and you'll take it off from here, Then when it's off, you take this thing. That's the part number. I already got it on. I'll show you. I already got it on. But you put on this piece here, you put that new screen on this, and then it's just slightly go in there. It's like really easy. It's nothing crazy, you know. Already, I don't know if you can see some. Let me try. But yeah, it's on now already inside this. It's like silver inside. This already the new one, new screen. So that's, then, you know, when you take the old one, you want to go inside and clean really good. It's got like one little hole here. I'll show it to you. You see? Okay, so that's hole you want to clean. It's like here on the side, like right here. So you want to clean that to be, you see. So now when it's clean, then you take like some, I'll show it to you, well, brushes like this, and you put inside, and once or twice clean really good, because like here on the bottom, like here somewhere, like somewhere here, you know, just here is got, it can, you know, like over the time, it can, how you could say, keep the leftovers, and you want to break that shit and clean like really good inside. I mean, it's easy job. And then you just put this new plug back. I mean, not new, but old plug. Just put on the top, like this, boom. And then you start to screw it with the hand, by the hand. And then on the end, you're gonna use this socket, or you can buy on Amazon the kit. It's got already the socket, so you don't need to make. I just couldn't find one at Amazon, or I mean on AutoZone or O'Reilly's, so I just bought from Thermo King the kit, and they didn't have the socket. I didn't have time to wait from Amazon. I need to have this fixed today. So yeah, so you put this thing back, and then you tight like a little bit. It doesn't need to be crazy. And then you put this boot back here. You put the boot back, and then you plug back all the wires, you know. I mean, put back all the cables here, and then put back, and that's it. And, you know, and then put everything back like you took it off. That's it. I don't want to make like long video and talking not for nothing, but you did understand the main point of this thing, like how to do it, you know. So just take your time and like look inside with the flashlight to make sure inside is like clean and good, and that's it. And then go under and change the fuel filter. I'm gonna make later one video too of how to change the fuel filter. So all right, thank you, bye bye.